So again, our theme for this week, our question is, did Santa Claus come early to the markets this year? In my humble opinion, the behavior that we saw early in the week was, an early Santa Claus rally. Typically, historically, the Santa Claus Rally is the time frame of the final 5 trading days of the year and the first 2 trading days of the following year. And I put a reference to that article in Investopedia, so you can read that article. We've also got more information about the Santa Claus Rally in our video, The Santa Claus Rally Is It Real? And you can access that via the link in the notes or also on our YouTube channel. And then we talk about, what does it mean if we have a year without a Santa Claus Rally? So that means that the historical Santa Claus Rally is started on Friday, the 22nd, and runs through. Actually, that's probably should be January 3rd. So let me bring up my trading calendar. So the first 2 trading days of 24 is going to be the 2nd and 3rd. So the 3rd would be the last day of the Santa Claus Rally. Historically, again, I think Monday, Tuesday, that behavior that we saw, it was very bullish, very exuberant, and I think we got Santa Claus came early to the markets this year. Then we saw that 2:30 on Wednesday, and Friday we saw those strong down candlesticks. So if I zoom into the S&P futures, actually I'm going to go into Webull and look at the stock screen. Look at the chart for the S&P SPY. So Wednesday and Friday. See at 2:30, right at 2:30. In my humble opinion, I think they flipped the algos on. You see, it was very overbought. S&P, Nasdaq, etc., hitting highs, and then right at 2:30, we got that spike down, and then on at 2:30 on Thursday, we got a little bit of a push up, and then at 2:30 on Friday, again we saw a little bit of a push down. Again, I think somebody threw the switch on the algos and said, okay, we're going to sell, try to scare some people out, try to get some of the Magnificent Seven cheap. It worked pretty good on Wednesday, not so much on Friday. And then again on Thursday, they flipped it back the other way. Again, my opinion, not financial advice, but I would watch out for that during this week again. They might even change the time. Maybe it won't be 2:30. But I think it made people a little bit hesitant on Thursday as well to buy the rally that they flipped on. And then, on Friday they flipped it again, and we didn't get the level of fear that we got on Wednesday, but you got a little bit of a dip. And again, I wouldn't be surprised to see that occur through the rest of this year, especially since we have, Santa Claus. Everybody knows Santa Claus rallies on, and that will have a tendency to push the markets up through the end of the year. So if they can flip it and get some fear, catch some Magnificent Seven cheap, I think they would be happy to do so. Part of that is what's called end of year window dressing. So your money managers, your hedge fund managers, they want to show the winners on their books come the end of the year. So they want the Magnificent Seven on their books at the end of the year. Then again, we'll talk about the January effect. And in my humble opinion, I think they'll turn around and take their profits after the end of the year. It's another aspect of they don't want to take their profits this year because they'll have to pay tax on it this year. If they wait till next year, then they can defer the tax on those gains till next year. So again, I expect, rotation into the Magnificent Seven towards the end of the year, and then early next year rotation out. And then again, we'll talk about what are they going to put their money into if they rotate out of the big winners from this year, and what are they going to put it into coming next year. So, again, I think somebody threw the switch on the algos and said, okay, we're going to sell, try to scare some people out, try to get some of the Magnificent Seven cheap. If they can flip it and get some fear, catch some Magnificent Seven cheap, and what are they going to put it into coming next year. Um, Along those lines of the Santa Claus Rally, the exuberance, I added a link to the AAII Investor Sentiment Survey. I added this in the reference link on our homepage as well, and we'll take a quick look at that. So on our homepage in the links section, you can find links to our social media, etc. Our homepage is beachbumtrading.com. And under the reference links, we've added a link to that. We have links to various tools, etc. So we added a link to the investor sentiment survey. And you can see this is a weekly survey they do of members. So these are individual investors, people, traders like you and I, who say, how bullish or bearish are you on a weekly basis? And you can see for the week ending 12/20, it's a record bullishness for this year. So 52.9% are bullish. So as I always say, following Warren Buffett, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. And right now we have a lot of greed, a lot of positive sentiment. So again, watch out for, potential, try to scare people out of the market. It is very overbought, very extreme greed. But again, I think they'll take those opportunities, buy the dip, particularly in those Magnificent Seven. So let me know what do you all think? Do you agree, disagree with those concepts, those hypotheses? And let us know in the comments below, in our Discord, in the chat, etc. Let us know what you think. Finally, we have a video on trading during holiday weeks. So it talks about, low volatility, possible choppiness, etc. So you can access that video about trading during holiday weeks, that short video, via the link in our notes as well. Brian Ritz says he agrees, so that's good. Flippo, yes. Those pullbacks, if they do, again, flip that switch, be it at 2:30 or at another time during the day, those are potential opportunities. So we've also been talking, all month about how to make money trading in December. So we've got the links to those, how markets perform in December, best performing sectors and industries. We've been talking about tax loss harvesting. Again, I think the majority of the tax loss harvesting has occurred. But again, this is the last week of the year. So anybody that wants to take a last minute tax loss sale, they'll be looking to do that. So any of the big losers from this year may still be vulnerable. But again, the volume's going to tend to be light. Most people are probably already out of the market. They've already probably taken their tax loss. But again, big losers or, somebody that became a big loser the past week or so might be vulnerable to tax loss harvesting. Again, we've got some references to what is tax loss harvesting, wash sale. Again, if you are taking a tax loss sale this week, just be aware of the wash sale rule, how that works, when you can buy it back if you choose to do so. So again, we've got links to those. If you need further advice, we recommend Mark J. Kohler. We use them for our tax and business advice. So you can find our link to Mark J. Kohler in the notes and also on our homepage. So we've also released a couple short videos on how to make money trading in the winter. So December, January, February, winter months, we've got, you can listen to those short videos on the seasonal trend going into the months of the winter. And then I put these videos in here for January because, again, we'll start talking about what is the January effect. What is the January barometer? What does that mean? And then how do stocks typically perform in January? So you can access those as well now via the bonus links in our notes. And then we'll be releasing those, obviously, once we get into January. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch list, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.